As you become more familiar with Vectorworks and develop your own workflows, you may want to modify your tool palettes to better suit your workflow. This can be done using the Workspace Editor. To access the Workspace Editor, go to Tools, Workspaces, Workspace Editor, or select Customize from any of your tool palette's utility menus. Then, you should see the Workspace Editor Options dialog box. Here, you can choose to edit the current workspace, edit a copy of the current workspace, or create a new workspace from scratch. We recommend editing a copy of the current workspace, so if you make a mistake while editing, you still have a copy of your workspace available. All of the functionalities of the Workspace Editor will be covered in a separate video. For now, we're going to focus on specifically modifying Tool and the Tool Sets palettes. So, select the Tools tab from the Workspace Editor dialog box. As you can see here, there are 3 separate fields. On the left side, the Create field has options for you to create a new tool or tool set palette. Just below is the Tools field, which displays all of the tools available in Vectorworks, grouped by category. On the right side, the Palettes field displays all of the tools, tool palettes, and tool sets that are currently assigned to the workspace. Now, if I wanted to modify my current basic tool palette to include the Zoom Out tool, it can be done in just a few steps. First, expand the Basic menu from the Palettes field on the right. Then, expand the View Draw menu, which has all of the tools from the current tool palette. In the Tools field on the left, expand its View Draw menu. Notice there are several tools in this menu that are not in the current basic tool palette, like the Grid tools and the Zoom Out tool. To add this tool, just click and drag the tool from the window on the left to the window on the right. The gray separator line indicates where the tool will be placed in the palette. Notice the small arrow on the separator line as well. This indicates if the tool will appear directly in the palette or as a pop-out menu from the other tool. When you release the mouse click, the new tool will be added. You can also delete tools and tool sets just as easily as adding. Simply select the tool or tool set you want to remove and press the delete key on your keyboard. When deleting a tool, it's simply removed. If deleting an entire tool set, you'll receive a prompt to verify that you want to delete the tool set and all of its contained tools. In addition to adding and removing tools and tool sets, you can also modify keyboard shortcuts for tools. Let's add a keyboard shortcut to our Zoom Out tool. To do this, select the Zoom Out tool from the window on the right. Notice the Use drop-down menu becomes active. This lets you choose whether the keyboard shortcut will just use a key or a key in combination with one or more modifier keys. For this example, I'll choose to use the Shift key and press the C key on my keyboard to set the Zoom Out tool shortcut to be Shift and C. Since this shortcut was already assigned to the Flyover tool, I have to verify that I want to reassign the shortcut. Once I click Yes, the shortcut is assigned to the Zoom Out tool, and the Flyover tool will no longer have a shortcut until you manually assign a new one. If you ever need a list of the keyboard shortcuts assigned in your current workspace, click the Export Workspace to Text File button. This creates a text file with a list of all the tools in the current workspace and any applicable shortcuts. Last, you can also change the icons used for each toolset palette by selecting the desired toolset and then clicking the Set Toolset Icon button. This allows you to choose your desired image to be used as the toolset icon. Once you've made all of your desired changes, click OK and a copy of your current workspace is saved and set to the active workspace. And here's my Zoom Out tool in the basic tool palette. That's it. To recap, remember that the Workspace Editor allows you to customize or create a workspace to better suit and streamline your workflow.